Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Molly and I make fashion and lifestyle videos, and you should make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you like my content. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys something that I was actually sent by a company, a piece of jewelry, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'm actually obsessed with it. I've done a little trial run of it for the past 2 weeks and I've been wearing it every day. I've been taking it off. And the brand's name is Aurelie Gi. I really hope that I'm saying that correctly. If not, I'm so sorry. I'm actually wearing it right now and I'll take it off to show you further in detail. And this was the packaging it came in. I was sent it in 3 different pieces. It all came in these little cloth bags to protect it. Yeah, so I'll tell you a little bit about the brand first. It is a fine jewelry line. So the pieces that they sent me were part of their DIY charm mix and match collection. So I ordered a chain, the 2 charms that I am wearing, and they have a plethora of charms to choose from. I particularly liked the heart and the angel wing, and the heart you actually could get engraved, so I might do that like one of these days. Their collection just layerable, customizable, and obviously engravable. So this is a 14 karat piece, so I've been showering in it, I have been sleeping in it, which I wasn't sure at first because it's very delicate. That's kind of what their brand is all about, just dainty and beautiful 14 karat gold pieces. And it's been fine in the shower, it's been fine sleeping in it. I haven't had any issues at all. I could safely recommend it to you guys if you're looking to purchase fine jewelry. Yeah, so in this collection, they have 8 layerable charms. So I obviously chose 2 out of the 8. They all are sold separately, so if you feel like you want to add to your collection, you can totally do that. Later on, it didn't come as like a single piece with a chain. You have to pick what chain you would like, what charms you would like, and it's all customizable. I really liked that component of it. I just feel like dainty jewelry in general is very simple, delicate, and like timeless even. I find that like chunky jewelry is in trend right now, but this is always something that you could layer with your chunkier pieces or just wear on its own. I've been wearing it on its own every single day, and maybe I'll do at the end like a little style with my other pieces, but no, I just love wearing it every day. I keep like putting my hand here. My nails are really bad, guys. I haven't gotten a manicure yet since COVID because I'm scared to go to a nail salon. And like if you want to treat yourself to a little gift, it's great to do that. Or if you're looking for a gift for a significant other or a family member, I would definitely just recommend checking out this brand. Sorry for my whole little spiel there, but I'm very passionate about jewelry. And if you haven't watched my jewelry collection, I actually shared like where all my jewelry is from and where I get it. So definitely check that out. Also, if you're just on like a whole little jewelry bender and you need your fashion jewelry, but you also need your just like dainty essentials. Also, in working with them, I'm able to offer you guys a discount code. So I'm gonna link it down below for you to check out. And if you just missed this little part of the video, they're offering you guys 15% off site-wide, which would make a difference because it's fine jewelry, so it's a little bit pricier. My discount code is MollyB15, so make sure to include that in the checkout. Let's get into the description. So the pieces that I got were the chain, which is very dainty, these 2 charms. So I got a 16-inch cable chain. And I also got the Angelica wing charm and the Joy engravable heart charm. So this was just my style. Add some screenshots of some of the other charms you could get. There was a butterfly, which I was kind of like on the fence on with, as well as a lightning bolt, which I thought was super cute. There's something for everyone in the DIY charm collection, but my discount code will work site-wide, so check out their brand. They definitely have some really cute stuff, and I'm going to do some damage later probably. Really hyped about it. Thank you, Aurelie Gi, for sending me these beautiful pieces, and I will definitely be wearing them every single day. In terms of how I would layer this, it definitely like sits closer on the neck. So I feel like I would add just a little chain to it. I wouldn't put charms on because it would seem like kind of excessive. I shared this chain in my previous jewelry video. You should definitely check that out if you haven't already. I would just add like a simple chain with it Nothing too crazy, and it creates the perfect layering piece because, I mean, how cute. That is everything that I wanted to say about the brand and show you guys the pieces. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate any engagement. And leave a comment down below telling me which piece of the DIY charm collection you're interested in or purchasing. Also, I realized my pictures are crooked, but like, I don't care. I'll have my social media linked down below. Make sure to follow me on there for any updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.